Hey there folks, this is Margaret with eXp Realty, and I am actually bringing you a rental today. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to the listing agent Edna Wilson for allowing us to take a walkthrough of this cute little home. It's 1820 Brandy Lane in Titusville, 1144 square foot. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we're listed at $1,900. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what you think. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So we do walk into the living room area, and let's give you a good look at that from this side. So nice size living room. Cruise into this bedroom right here. Good sized bedroom again. And this is your master. It's got a super cute walk-in shower, nice sink, pretty countertops. And let's give you a quick look at this nice walk-in closet. So plenty of space for all your stuff in there. And then let's cruise on into the kitchen here. So nice kitchen area. Again, pretty countertops. Lots of storage area. And then we do have this nice little bonus room out here. So wouldn't this be perfect for the kiddos? Make it into a dining room if you needed to, or a nice game room area. Places to play. You do have a little dining area right outside of the kitchen. And while we're here, you have a nice sized backyard. Plenty of space to play. Nice big tree for some shade. And let's cruise back into the house here. Again, living room. Nice big window in the front. Bedroom. Another cool looking bathroom here. You got a shower tub combo. Again, great sink area. And your other bedroom. And back out into the living room area. And while I finish up, we're going to give you a view of the kitchen because might as well have something to look at while I'm talking. Nice microwave up there installed. Again, this one is 1820 Brandy Lane in Titusville. It is a rental listed at $1,900. You can call myself, Margaret Klein, or you can call the list agent, Edna Wilson, if you're looking to get in here and have an in-person showing and check this out. Hope you're having an amazing day. Coming to you here again from Titusville, Florida. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.